In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross out a word in Google Docs. This simple and quick tutorial is great for anyone looking to make edits while keeping track of original text, whether you're revising a document or providing feedback. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. Once you hit Enter, the link to Google Docs should appear at the top of your search results. Click on the link, and it will take you straight to the Google Docs homepage. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll see your recent documents displayed. If not, there will be a prompt to log in. Simply enter your usual credentials and gain access to your documents. Once you are logged in, find and open the document in which you'd like to cross out text. You might need to navigate through your list of documents to locate the right one. When you have found the document, double-click to open it. To begin crossing out text, highlight the word or sentence that you wish to modify. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. With your text selected, take your attention to the menu bar located at the top of the screen. Click on the Format option. It's among the choices like File and Edit. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you want to hover over the Text option. This will expand another menu out to the side. In this expanded menu, look for the strike-through option and click it. Voila! The selected text is crossed out with a simple line through the center, making it clear that it's no longer part of the final text, but still visible. Now, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Google Docs offers a quick way to apply strike-through as well, and this may become your go-to method for efficiency. Start again by highlighting the text you want to cross out. Then, depending on your operating system, apply the shortcut. If you're using Windows, press Alt plus Shift plus 5. For Mac users, the shortcut is Command plus Shift plus X. This method is particularly handy if you frequently need to apply strike-through in your documents. That's all there is to it. Whether you're manually navigating through the menus or using keyboard shortcuts, crossing out words in Google Docs is a straightforward process. It's a useful tool when editing and revising your work, providing a balance between making changes and tracking those edits visually. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check our other tutorials to enhance your productivity skills in Google Docs and beyond.